Tim Thomas here. In this video, I got some exciting news. I relaunched a program that I was in a while back, and I tell you what, it was really good, and I tell you, it has gotten better over time, and I could not be more excited to be back partnered into this program, and I'm going to talk about it. I'm telling you what, we're going to give you an income disclaimer, and then we're going to get the video done. Give me about 10 minutes, and I'll be off real quick. But before we start the video, make sure you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, tap the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Folks, I have got back into the program, sidehustleincome.net. It's an incredible business, folks, where it is growing in leaps and bounds. Great admin, great marketing group, great product, service, and value that you get on a monthly basis. And look how much you can make. This is potential. Of course, as an income disclaimer, money doesn't fall out the sky. You have to put these businesses into actions. Our team has got a proven flyer, a proven postcard that our team leader, Greg, just made up. And we're excited about what we've got our hands on. So we're going to walk around and show you what Side Hustle is about. And it doesn't take a lot of people to make a lot of money. I'm going to say that again. It doesn't take a lot of people to make a lot of money. We're going to show you how. But look at our new team website, folks. It's just redesigned for 2026. We're going to watch this video here and see what you think. When you're ready to when you join, this is going to give you access to our postcards, our postcard, our team postcard, our flyer. And the company has also 2 different types of postcards and 2 different types of flyers and marketing materials. So very powerful. You're going to get an ID number, and we're going to show you why I am so excited about what we've got our hands on with Side Hustle Income. Can you mail a flyer? Can you mail a postcard? Folks, you can come in and make $75 per referral each and every month. Month in, month out. This is the residual income. Residual income is where we're at for 2026. And my top residual income programs is going to be American Bill Money, SideHustleIncome.net, and the Viral AI. Those are going to be my 3 that I'm going to work for incredible residual income. You do the work one time, and this is income that will come in month after month. All you do is get it started. And then you're going to get $75 per sign up that you sign up. And then every person that they bring on the team, you're going to get $25 overrides each and every month, no matter how many people they refer. Let me give you a sneak peek of our postcard. Look at this, folks. It's our postcard. That thing is powerful. And here's our new postcard close up. I'm going to show you just a peep up. That's the part of the top of it. And this right here is going to be the back side of our postcard. Personally, just roll 10 members. You're talking about $750 per month. 50 members, $37.50. 100 members, $7,500. And this is money that comes in. Is this car and house possible? Folks, it's absolutely possible when you join our team. We're going to show you how. You're going to get access to this postcard. And the company has, again, 2 other postcards and 2 other flyers. And you get access to our brand new flyer. We'll talk about the flyer in another video. But let's watch this video. But look at this, folks. Again, it don't take a lot of people to make a lot of money. When you're ready to join as a member, you can watch this video here. And it's a monthly subscription. What is the product? You're going to get a marketing kit. It's going to have 150 labels, 150 postcards, 150 ID stickers, a copy of our news magazine, master copy of the flyer included in your first kit only. And then you're going to get access to all of this information here. You can come out and join. You can get access to our postcards, ID stickers, color flyers, leads, email leads, print mail service, and it just goes on and on and on. Product, service, and value. Let's look at this video, and I'll show you what you're going to be able to see and what you're going to be able to earn with SideHustleIncome.net. Powerful, folks.
Let's face it, unemployment is a constant threat. The entire industry is downsizing. Let me ask you a question. If you lost your job tomorrow and couldn't find work, say, for 8 weeks, would you have enough money saved to survive? Yes or no? If the answer is no, then you need a plan B, and you need to start building your own stream of monthly income now. We can show you how. Let me introduce you to our company called SideHustleIncome.net. Over the next few minutes, you're about to learn how you could easily earn $1,000, $3,000, even $5,000 per month or more in commissions from the comfort of your home. The cost to join as a SideHustleIncome.net member is just $150 to start, and then $150 per month subscription, which will get you 150 mailing leads on peel and stick labels, 150 company postcards, 150 personalized ID stickers, a copy of the SideHustleIncome.net monthly newsletter, and a master copy of your
Guys, do you see all this product that you're getting when you join Side Hustle? What is the product? Pause the video. There you go. This is what you're getting for the $150 per month. And everybody you bring in, personally, you're going to get $75 and then $25 overrides on all of their personals. Folks, again, it doesn't take a lot of people to make a lot of money.
Personalized marketing flyer. Now, let's talk about money. SideHustleIncome.net has an unlimited width and only 2 levels deep compensation pay structure. Each new member that you personally enroll earns you a commission of $75 per month. And each member that your personal enrolls earns you an additional commission of $25 per month. Yes, you heard correctly. These commissions are paid monthly. Take a look at the illustration pay chart of the SideHustleIncome.net. This pay chart represents only 10 SideHustleIncome.net members purchasing just $150 monthly in products, and then each of those 10 members personally enrolling just 10 new SideHustleIncome.net members to do the same down just 2 levels deep. As you can see from the pay chart, a total of just 110 members pays a total monthly income of $3,250 per month. Let me ask you a question. What would an extra $3,250 per month income pay for? How about the monthly payments on a brand new car or truck? Or how about paying the monthly mortgage payments on that dream home that you have always wanted? Or maybe use the extra cash per month to pay off the balance of those high credit card debts. Now imagine how much more you could have earned if you had personally enrolled 15, 20, or even 50 new SideHustleIncome.net members into the business, and they each do the same. As a SideHustleIncome.net member, the possibilities are unlimited of how you can earn each month. Are you now starting to see how powerful and financially rewarding the SideHustleIncome.net business opportunity is? So if you are unhappy with your present financial situation and are looking for more, then consider SideHustleIncome.net business opportunity. We believe there is no other business opportunity that can offer as much potential for wealth, personal growth, security, and freedom of time with so little risk. Get back with the person who has introduced you to this business opportunity and get signed up as a SideHustleIncome.net member today. You have been given the business opportunity that could financially change your life and the life of your family for the good. But only you must decide right now whether or not to take advantage of it.
Folks, this is exciting. I'm telling you, let me stress the importance. Let me pause the video here. The importance of side hustle. Looking at if you sponsor 20 members only, and you're making $1,500 a month. If you sponsor 50 members, which anybody can do, it's a numbers game. We have a proven postcard that you can use to mail. It's already been tested. It's bringing people in constantly, and I've jumped back in. I could not stand it any longer. And after 2 members, you'll be in profit. Just 2 people, and you're in profit. And the sky can be the limit on how much you want to make a month. Pause the video here, your product, your services. And it's just a $50 monthly, $150 monthly subscription. And this is billed monthly. And I'm telling you, folks, you want to create time freedom. Can you mail it through postcards? Can you put a flyer in the mail? We can build this business out. And what's super exciting when you come and join down here, you're going to join here and notice on the postcard. Let me show you, or the flyer. Let me show you the postcard here. Okay, there's the postcard there. And I'm going to go a little further. I mean, look at our new flyer. I'm going to go over, we got 2 other flyers that the company provide, but our team is using this flyer here. And look at the flyer. Turn $150 per month into $7,500 per month possibility. We've got a recorded call up here. It shows the breakdown with 10 members, what you can make. What you can make with 50 members, 100. This shows what you're getting for your monthly subscription, your product. Look at this, folks. You've got a car here and a house. On the new flyer, I believe there's a Mercedes up there. And you can join utilizing a debit or a credit card. Folks, this is incredible times here up ahead. My ID number is going to be 219 if you're seeing this video. Join using ID number 219 and we'll get you started. Folks, the sky can be the limit. Again, here is the order form. It's got the Mercedes up there. It's got the house back there. Look at the postcard, folks. Look at that. Postcard's incredible. And we're very excited about this side hustle income. I'm back in it. We're going to go. The sky can be the limit. We've got the new flyer. We've got the new postcard. And we are ready to rock and roll. When you get a chance, visit the website. Look through the information. I'll put the link below. SideHustleIncome.com. Let me again go back to the subscription page. I want you to really impress upon you. Look at what's possible. Sponsoring just 20 people. That's all. If you sponsor 20, if you sponsor 10, you're at $750 a month. 20 people. Can you mail that postcard that we got? The brand new postcard. I'm going to cover more of it in another video. But exciting times are here. Residual income. There is no selling, no telling, no explaining. The video, the postcards, the flyers, they do it all for us. That's my time for today. SideHustleIncome.net. ID number 219. Let's get you started. Let's get you running. I'm going to bring a lot more videos. If I didn't cover all of it in this video, we're going to bring you some more on how you can potentially explode your income with SideHustleIncome.net.